Ladybug. Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing? You say hi, Aunt Christina?
Hi, Sammy.
What's my name?
Sammy.
Okay. Oh, what are you eating?
I'm eating.
Oatmeal?
Yeah.
Wow. Is it yummy?
Yeah. Baby!
Can you eat them? Make sure you blow on it. Is it hot?
Look.
Whoa. Are you going to eat it still?
Yeah.
What?
Stop. Oh, Papa. Okay.
You putting more milk in it? Here,
Yeah.
make sure you go like that. Okay. And then stir it up.
Okay.
Mmm. Yummy, huh? Bye-bye, Lainey.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So cute. Black dog. Hello. Hi, puppy. Hi, Remy.